All right, guys. Breakpoint back again. Today, we're going to make a dry rub for our ribs. So we're going to make some smoked ribs on the smoker today. Check out our video for the barbecue sauce. We're going to use all that. And the ingredients will be listed below. Okay. So all this is putting your spices in a bowl or a container. Okay. We're going to use brown sugar today, cumin, garlic powder, sea salt, fresh black pepper, or if you have it, sweet paprika. We got onion powder. We have coriander, and we have cayenne pepper. And we're gonna just simply put this in a bowl, give it a good mix, and then we're gonna get to the ribs and pat them down. All right, so that will be listed in another video, but check out our barbecue recipe as well, and check out the smoked ribs, because if you have a smoker, if you're into smoking, you can't go wrong with that, folks. Super delicious, super easy, and we like easy around here. So let's get to it. Brown sugar. We gotta have a lot of brown sugar around here because we cook a lot. So I'm gonna put 4 tablespoons of brown sugar in here. Make sure you pack it, make sure you have the full 4 tablespoons. We're gonna put the smoked paprika. This is 4 tablespoons of that as well. And then salt. I'm going to go with a couple of tablespoons of salt. This is sea salt. Get some good salt, folks. Don't use that table salt. It's bad for you. Get some sea salt. You can use some the pink Himalaya salt if you have it. Your body's craving those minerals, so make sure that you get them. There's like 88 trace minerals in that your body needs. So we're going to move on to onion powder. And again, just look below in the description and you'll see the ingredients listed there for you and the measurements for it. Onion powder's in. We're going to go with the garlic. Again, the ingredients and the measurements are down below in the description. Because all these are different. And when you're watching a video like this, you know how it is. What did he say? And you have to go back to many times. So for your convenience, it's down below in the description. And on the side, you could print it out if you want. I would just copy and paste it into a notepad, hit print on your printer, and be done with that if you have a printer. If you have that option, it'll make your life a lot easier. All right, gonna put in some cumin. You can't go wrong with this either. If you want a little bit more black pepper, if you like a lot more salt, doctor it up. Do what you got to do. But this is a good base for you. And again, this is just going to be a rub that's going to go on our rack of ribs. Okay. We're going to be adding barbecue sauce to that. we're going to be adding juices like we're thinking about going with pineapple and mango or something like that on this sec. We got peach. You know, you could just do whatever you want, whatever your favorite juices are. I crack some pepper in there. I really like black pepper. I don't know about y'all. Especially when it's just fresh like that. It's so powerful. It smells so good. Just want to take a chunk of it. All right. So, cayenne pepper. About a half a teaspoon of that. If you like stuff really spicy, then go for it, man. Hook it up. But some of us in the house can't handle heat, and I'm one of them. So I like a little bit of heat, but nothing to make me stay up at night. I'll suffer from heartburn or something if I get too crazy with it. All right, so once that's done, you got all your ingredients mixed, you're ready. What I like to do is I'd like to put this through the sifter. And let me see if I can find one. It's somewhere around here. But that's too small right now. All right, we got a metal strainer here. And this will work if you have one of these. Because your spices get clumpy when they're just sitting there for a long time. So I'll just mix that like this. Bring that camera in, Bailey, so they can see. This is what I'm trying to get rid of, folks. You see these clumps right there? See that clump of either onion powder or garlic powder? You don't want to just bite into a big chunk like that. So we're just going to sift it. You can see how the bowl, no, that's beautiful. See, you don't have to worry about it. Every bite will be consistent. That's what we want. Consistency is key. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Just keep on doing this, and when it's done, we're going to rub a dub dub all over those ribs. See you in a bit.